How to remove sound from a video in CapCut. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open CapCut application in your mobile device. Once you open the CapCut app, simply tap on New Project right over here. Then select the video where you would like to remove the sound from. Tap on Add. Now the first way to remove sound from a video in CapCut is to tap on Mute Clip Audio, and just like that you'll then be able to remove the sound of the video. Now the next step is simply go ahead and tap onto it. Simply swipe this option until you find a volume. Go ahead and tap onto it and then simply set it to 0. Once done, go ahead and tap on the stick mark. Now the last way in order to remove sound from a video is go ahead and tap onto it. Swipe this option again and then you'll be able to find an option that says extract audio. Tap onto it. Now you can see the audio of the video. Go ahead and tap onto it and then tap on delete. Just like so, you'll then be able to remove sound from a video in CapCut. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.